Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you using HP DeskJet 2700 series printer and it's showing a problem while printing documents or not printing at all? If yes, then this video is for you. You can face this problem in your printer as a result of low ink level, incomplete setup, connection issues, etc. To help you fix this issue, I'll share the most effective methods. And yes, in case you need more help, you can dial in these numbers on the screen to talk to our printer expert. Alright then, let's jump right into the solution and get your printer fixed. Method 1. Reconnect your HP printer. Alright, now grab your phone and open the HP Smart app. Once you're in, tap Setup or Add New Printer at the top. On the next screen, just hit Get Started. Now, keep an eye out on your HP printer series. When you spot it, give it a tap. Cool. So now, it'll find your Wi-Fi network and ask you to type in your password. Go ahead and enter your password and then tap Continue. After a few seconds, a pop-up will show up asking you to press the information button. That's the little I button on your printer. And boom, once the connection goes through, you'll see a success screen and your printer should be good to go. If reconnecting your printer does not help, then follow the next method to ensure the ink cartridges. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you find these methods easy to follow. Method 2. Check that ink cartridges are installed properly. Begin by opening the front cover of your HP printer. Then, slide the ink cartridge from the side to the middle. Next, you need to take out both cartridge out of the printer. And then, close the front door and check if the printer has started printing. Method 3. Check for paper jam. First, you need to turn off your printer and check the bottom side of it and remove if you find any paper or its pieces. Then, you need to unscrew the front and back side of the printer to open the top cover. After removing the top cover, check carefully inside the printer to make sure there are no papers stuck. Also, take a clean cloth and clean the roller to ensure it is moving properly. Once that's done, put the top cover back and attach the screws back to their place.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.